This is a very special time of the year. Ramadan is here, and today I'm sharing some must-know vocabulary that will make you sound like a native. But wait, there's a surprising fact at the end that you won't believe, so stay till the end. Ready? Let's get started. Here's a word many people get wrong. We don't celebrate Ramadan, we observe it. That means we follow its traditions with devotion and respect. So we say, we observe Ramadan in the third month of the Islamic calendar. Try saying it with me. We use the present simple because Ramadan happens every year, just like other regular events. Think of how we say, we observe Christmas or we observe Easter. Now, the most important part of Ramadan, fasting. That means no food and no drinks from dawn to dusk.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
But did you know it also includes avoiding bad habits like smoking or gossiping? So we say, we fast from dawn to dusk. We use present simple because fasting is a routine during Ramadan. But if you're fasting right now, you can say, I am fasting. Ramadan isn't just about fasting, it's also about spirituality. Muslims pray even more during this month. So, we say, I pray many times during Ramadan. Say it with me. Again, we use present simple because prayer is a daily habit, just like saying, I brush my teeth every day. Here's a powerful word, obligatory. This means something you must do. Fasting isn't optional for adult Muslims, it's obligatory. So we say, fasting is obligatory during Ramadan. Try saying it again. How to greet someone during Ramadan? Now, here's something super useful. How do you wish someone a happy Ramadan? Here are the most common ways. Ramadan Mubarak. May you have a blessed Ramadan. Ramadan Kareem, wishing you a generous and blessed Ramadan. You can confidently greet anyone during this holy month. And now, a surprising fact. Did you know that if you live in Iceland, you might have to fast for over 20 hours? That's because the sun barely sets in summer. And that's it. Now you know some essential Ramadan vocabulary. But I have a question for you. How long do you fast in your country? And if you're not Muslim, what do you think about Ramadan? Drop a comment below. If you're still here, you're one of the real champions. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up to support the channel. See you in the next one.